Dalawang celebrity ang naging inspirasyon ni Miss Universe Philippines 2024, Chelsea Manalo, upang i-push pa ang sarili sa pagkamit ng kanyang mga pangarap. Napakalaking bahagi raw sa personal life ni Chelsea ng supermodel at host ng America's Next Top Model na si Tyra Banks at ni Miss Universe 2010 fourth runner-up Venus Ra. Nang dahil daw kina Tyra at Venus, mas minahal at mas ibinandera pa niya sa buong universe ang kanyang Black Filipino-American features. Sabi niya sa interview ng In Her Shoes ng M5 Philippines, "Actually, isa sa mga tao na nag-inspire sa akin at a very young age, it was Miss Tyra Banks. Noong napanood ko kasi yung American Next Top Model, siya yung host tapos gandang-ganda ako sa kanya. Her eyes, yung color niya, yung smile niya. I saw myself in her and nakikinig na ako the way she speaks. She motivates and influences people at a young age. Like me, ang laki ng impact pahayag ng beauty queen." Patungkol naman kay Venus Ra, here in the Philippines, it was Miss Venus Ra. Somehow, siya yung naalala ko, not just in pageantry but also for herself. Because yung life story niya has really inspired a lot of people. She's making a breakthrough in opening the barriers of beauty. So sabi ko, if she can, maybe I can too one day, chika ni Chelsea. So noong sinabi nila yung Black Beauty, that is what I told myself, that I am that person. Sobrang proud ako sa kutis ko. Sa ganda ko ngayon, super proud pang say ni Chelsea Manalo.